This 4-in-1 laser tape measure was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm showing a closer look at the features and how it works. Right out of the box, this combines multiple tools into one device, which is really convenient if you're doing things like DIY projects, construction work, or even interior design measurements. It includes a laser distance measure, traditional tape measure, laser level, and crosshair leveling system built all into one unit. As I'm showing it in the video, you can see it has both the standard measuring tape and the digital laser measuring features. The regular tape extends up to 16 feet and has an auto lock function, which helps keep it in place while measuring. It also includes a laser distance feature that can measure up to 130 feet, which is really useful for measuring larger spaces quickly. One thing I like is the backlit LCD display because it makes the measurements really easy to read, even in lower lighting. The display can also switch between different units like feet, inches, meters, and millimeters, depending on what you need. Another useful feature is a laser level with crosshairs, which can help when lining things up or making sure measurements stay level. In the video, I'm showing the different functions and giving a closer look at how the controls and display work. The overall design feels compact but still solid in the hand, so it doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. Since everything is combined into one tool, it's nice not having to carry multiple separate measuring devices around. Overall, this feels like a really solid, practical tool for a lot of different situations. It's compact, easy to use, and combines several useful measuring functions into one device, which makes it really convenient for projects around the house or job site use.